Susanna, we jump for Cubana. The way she can grab and make a girl like body stammer. Susanna, yeah, I jump for Ghana.
Tracy?
Yes.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh my goodness, please sit. You look amazing.
Thank
you. Look
you.
Stunning.
Thank you.
You see, usually when you meet someone off the internet, you know, like we met, and they look like Beyonce in their pictures. But in real life, sorry is the case. Nothing close. Well, you look like Beyonce and Rihanna together.
Oh, thank you.
Find like 10 people. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
And you also look so mature. I love
Mature?
mature girls. Yeah, I mean, you know what I'm talking about. Not like these hungry bellied girls we have all around nowadays. It's exhausting.
Oh.
That's what it is.
Oh, yeah.
You know, girls that you take out and the first thing that's on their mind is the food they want to eat. The food they want to eat. I mean, dates are not about food anymore. Dates should be about people just connecting, looking into their eyes, just making real life connection. Oh, goodness. Oh, my God. Did it hurt when you fell down? No. From heaven?
Oh.
Like I was saying, you see these hungry girls. Sometimes they even bring their friends on the date. You know that?
I mean, yeah.
No. Don't defend them. You're not like them. It's unacceptable. That's when they know they want to eat seafood pasta. There's nothing that is beyond them. Some even come and take away. For what?
Yeah, I think it's...
No, my love. You can't support that behavior. It's irrational. And you know the cause of it. The root of it is poverty. Yes, and lack of exposure. Because in places like the UK, places like the US, you see when people go on dates, they go on coffee dates, they go hiking, they don't even have to buy food. It's about real life experience, you know, connection like the one you and I have. In places like India, it's a woman that even pays bride price. Do you know that?
But you know...
No. In fact, hold that thought. I need to use the restroom. I'll be right back.
Sure, take
Just
your time.
stay shining.
No problem.
Like the sun.
Thank you.
Tracy.
Take your time.
Sapa 0, lively 2. It's shocker. Even though she cannot understand. What concern me? At least now, she know that it's either two of us share the money or she pay. Because even though she looks like someone that is rich. Where is this waiter? Waiter! Okay. You are the one here, Abby?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you know that table I am?
Yes, sir.
Send your best bottle of wine to that table.
All right, sir.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
And spaghetti bolognese.
Okay, sir.
Run along. Sapa 0, lively 3. Where she go? Maybe she don't go. She don't go buy gala chop. Hunger won't kill her.
I can't kill myself.
Why that person carries a good Tracy like this? She don't go buy gala. Tracy that. She's one. Tracy.
Yeah.
Tracy, is that you?
I love the wings so much.
Tracy. Tracy. Tracy, why did you leave our table now? What's all this now? Tracy, no. Don't tell me you're one of those hungry girls. Don't tell me you're one of those girls who just eat, and eat.
Ogbeni, shut up, abeg. Who be Tracy? I look like Tracy for your eye. I be Tracy. I'm gonna get out of here.
Tracy, stop embarrassing us. Let's go and sit down at our table.
Ogbeni, I be the man. You be Tracy.
I'm not Tracy.
You be Tracy.
I'm not Tracy.
So Ogbeni, who be Tracy? Ogbeni, Emi, Rabota, Omo Yalamala. Ogbeni, get out of me. See, if you don't want to lose your memory, may God not allow them call you name whenever your name. If you don't want to make you lose your memory, Ogbeni, come out of this place. Ogbeni, come, get out of this place. Guys, that's not me. Guys, I'm so sorry. That's absolutely not me. You know these guys, they can act so funny.
Oh, yeah.
She's the one. Why you up now? Why you pop up? Who tell you to pop it? Me not tell you to pop it. Why do you pop it? Mugi, they know the pop up now.
Here's the POS, sir. And we also accept Central.
Yes!
Which one would you like to do? POS or transfer, sir?
Wow!
Problem. Another problem. Me, innocent, I don't move like boss. Nigga, don't talk, I don't carry my cross.
Wow!